Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Racing Kingdom application on your smartphone quickly and easily within a few minutes. First of all, open up your Google Play Store on your Android or App Store on your iPhone or iPad. In the search bar, type in Racing Kingdom and search. Look for this application from Super Gears and tap on the Get or the Install button, or you might also be able to see the cloud icon if you have already downloaded the app on your device previously. Whatever button you see over there, simply tap on that and then wait for the application to download and install. On your iOS, if you are downloading the app for the first time, you may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Always make sure to download the apps from the official app stores to protect your device. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the app will be ready to be opened. Simply tap on Open to open the Racing Kingdom app and start the game on your device. So that's how you can easily get the Racing Kingdom app on your device quickly and easily in just a few simple steps. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out another video from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.